below the surface. They're about 15 stories down. So there's a lot of dirt and rocks above us right now, definitely. Before we continue on, do you guys have any questions at all? No. Okay. We'll go ahead and continue on then. You guys want to please follow me down this way? This will take us to the back of the case. We will come out that direction and go on the other passage again in about 20 minutes. You guys please follow me down this way. So again, watch your head and watch your step, and please be careful coming up the stairs on the other side.
That's the rear end again.
It's like a giant rock. It's not a giant rock, but it looks like a giant rock. Really far your hair. Yeah. But it's a big rock like that. Watch your giant vertebrae. No. Watch your head right there.
Watch it. I got it.
Whoa, yeah, really watch it down here. I don't know what cave that was. Where is it called that? What's it called? That cave of the winds?
Oh, cave of the winds.